Hello everyone, welcome to our non-Hua drumming session. Today, we are going to combine class 1 and 2 that we did on our previous videos. And we are going to add the last class, which is 1、4、7、1、2、3、4、5、6、1、2、3、4、5、6。1、4、7, you hit on the drum. The first 1、2、3、4、5、6, you turn to your right side. 6, you raise up your right hand while you shout ha. The second 1、2、3、4、5、6, you hit on the drum. Now, let's try it twice on the drum using the speed of 100. Ready? Now, let's increase the speed to 120. Ready? This is the end of today's class. Please remember to like and subscribe. Don't forget to check us on our Facebook and TikTok page. We go by the name of Non-Hua Performing Arts Group. I hope you enjoyed today's class. See you next time. Goodbye.